I've actually won the bid for some FR Smoke Tia Ibiza lights. I've actually won the bid to those, so I need to pay that tonight. When they arrive, I'll keep that in the same vlog, so you won't see this until they arrive. And then I'll be installing them in my driveway, now that you can see that overexposed. That'll be really cool when they come. It'll completely transform the back end of the car. I actually can't wait. I paid the guy for the lights and then he's gonna ship it soon. You can't ship it tonight because it's post office will be closed, and it'll be closed tomorrow, so he's shipping them on Monday. So I'll hopefully have them by the end of next week, maybe. It's mad the amount of support that I'm getting on that video that's blowing up for double clutching. I mean, I do get a few hate comments, but I mean, that's bound to happen when you get a video that gets a lot of views really quickly. There's going to be people that don't really like it, and obviously at the time I was a lot younger than I am now and a lot less knowledgeable. I mean, I'm not trying to say I'm smart, but obviously I know a lot more when I'm talking about cars now than I did back then. So yeah. But when the lights do arrive, you guys will be the first to know, because I'll put it on my Snapchat story and Instagram story and stuff. And then I'll be doing an unboxing, and that's all in this video. So this video has taken part over the over about a week, basically.
Yeah. 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 Well, both the indicators came on.
I put the hazards on.
Oh.
The lights on.
Yeah.
On the fucking